March the 12th. Home soon prospecting. We're back. We have a lot of trees down. Snow's pretty much gone. Well, going away now. Here's the driveway. Big old limb came off over here. And there's another one down over here. That's sideways. Not supposed to be that way. And I see something over here happen too. And this tree over here, big old limb came down, sitting over there. Let's go for a walk. These branches here come off that tree here. That branch over there. Down. Look like there's a tree right here. Laying sideways. Branch down here. Athena's outside barking. This branch right here has been trying to fall down for 3 years and it's still up. Look over here. Bunch down over here. All these trees. Get the phone over here. Those look like they're all down in there. That one's down right here. There's Athena. We had a branch come off the big tree here. Went in, punctured a hole in the trailer here. So I got to fix that. We got it patched right now, but more work. Then we had a part of the barn collapse too. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right over there, that corner. There's some more down trees. This is typically a road. Look at this. It's just it looks like they're all laying down on their sides over here. That's the tree I want to take that tree out. That's the only one that stood up. This tree fell down earlier in the year, so that's not fresh. But all this up here is fresh. Now the rain's starting to come up to me here. That's down. Alrighty, we're gonna head back. Starting to rain. And my jackets with the hoods are in the wash right now. Look at this. There's supposed to be a road going up through here. That's all down trees. And there's another one down over here too. That's down over there. Oh, well, here's another view of the collapsing barn. Alrighty, folks. Well, I'm gonna end this. There's probably a lot more because all that whole other ridge is ours too there, and then we go all the way up the hill. So there was quite a few trees in the driveway that were down. There's trees all over. Okay, everybody have a good Sunday. Well, catch you soon. All right, Home Zoo Prospecting. We're out.